Overwatch hit you with error LC-202, your connection dropped? Here's how to fix it. Unplug your router and modem from the wall, shut down your console or PC completely, wait 3 full minutes. This clears the network cache, which is usually the cause. Plug everything back in, let it fully restart, then launch Overwatch. Try it now. If that fixed it, drop a comment saying fixed. It helps other people find this. If it's still showing LC-202, switch to wired. Plug an Ethernet cable directly from your router into your console or PC. Wi-Fi drops packets constantly and Overwatch won't tolerate it. Once you're wired, relaunch the game. Try it now. If it's still not working, open a browser and go to your router settings. It's usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Find the section called Advanced Network or WAN. Look for UPnP and turn it on. Save and let the router restart. Relaunch Overwatch and try it now. If it's still not working, for console, go to your network settings and select Reset Network Settings, then reconnect to your internet. Also check Blizzard's status page. If their servers are down, nothing you do will fix this. For PC, open Battle.net, click the Overwatch icon, hit the gear icon, and select Scan and Repair. Begin scan. Once it's done, right-click the game and run as administrator. If Overwatch loads clean with no LC-202, you're back in. Drop a comment saying fixed, and if it's still happening, tell me what platform you're on and I'll help you out.